Today we are bringing you 3 super fun Easter games that won't break the bank. For this game, we are doing a bunny hop into the carrot field. So we picked up these little, just bunny stickers. They're dimensional, so a little bit of a foam in there. And then we have big binder clips. If you want a more difficult experience, you can go with little smaller ones. But for kids, I found that the big sizes work best. And then you can just get some carrots, either create them out of paper or you can get things like this from the dollar store. And the point is that we're going to try and launch our bunnies into the carrot field. The first person to get 5 bunnies successfully hopping into the carrot field is the winner. On your mark, get set, go! 1! So close. 2 on! Woohoo!
Good job, Vicky, number 5.
You got 1 on! Woohoo! Oh!
He got there.
Whoops.
He's like, nope, I'm not doing it.
3! 2 more! Whoa! That one flew!
That one was
4!
You know what? I believe in you.
2 on! Ooh. 5! Ooh, I got it! Alright! Alright, so that is our bunny hop game. On to the next one. For this game, each person or team creates their own Easter egg from a balloon. But instead of just having them blank, we're going to try and fill them with Easter grass. So we're going to play today as a team, but you could also do it individually. There are ways to be able to stuff them even with just one person. If you can get your fingers inside of the balloon well enough, like that, and then you can stuff grass in the middle of it. On your mark, get set, go!
Okay.
Alright, so I've got to get this ready. Get it down in. Alright, start stuffing. Woo, that's a lot, alright.
What if we get a whole thing?
That is so much grass going in there. Alright, let's try a little bit more. We've got 30 seconds left. This is going to be one stuffed balloon. You are getting that in there. That is some tough stuffing. Way to go. 10 seconds left, but we do have to be able to get the opening for the balloon, so I think we better stop there. I'm going to pull this apart really quick. Get it ready, get it ready. Oh, alright.
It's fine.
Here, we'll just cut this off.
Okay.
Whoa! Let's blow it up and see how it goes. This is going to be tough.
Tough egg to
blowing.
crack.
This is a tough egg to crack. Oh! Is that pretty cool? One more. Wow! You like that?
Yeah.
Alright, you be our official shaker. Look at that! So again, in a competition, you'd be able to see who has the most in their egg. I think that looks like a victorious wave, though. Our team definitely would have won. For this game, we are doing a basketball game, an Easter egg basketball game. So we each have a basket, and you could use a ball, but we're going to go ahead and use little plastic Easter eggs. And you're going to have to put the ball in there, spin it around. Whoever can successfully spin it near the top of the basket 2 times in a row, where it's not touching the bottom and doesn't fly out, is the winner. You ready?
Yeah.
On your mark. Get set. Go. 1. Ah!
I already had it flown out.
I know, it's really easy to have it fly out, so.
Okay.
You just hit it. Yours was spinning pretty good. Ah! Oh!
I spun it too much.
Ah!
Oh! Does it act like...
Oh! It just totally went from mine into yours.
That's cool.
It was kind of cool. All right.
Got it like 3 times.
Did you really?
Yeah.
High five. You won. Way to go. Cameron is our big winner. Nice work. If you enjoyed these 3 Easter games, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to check out more Easter games, we'll put links in the end of the video here. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!